Market, and I have here
Rosemonde and so on.
Okay, so we are team KSTS. I know you are wondering which kind of KSTS are we talking. I'm talking about Kumasi KSTS. You get it? So we are here to give you something worth dying for. But I didn't say go and die, I beg. I'm just telling you that we are here to give you something worth dying for. We are here to give you the continentals. I know when we talk about Kumasi people, we are thinking of the food. No! Just wait for us. We are here to kill the show, and we are the winners already. Don't mind the rest, okay?
No.
We are the winners. Hands down. We are done.
We need hands
That's
down.
Your school feel cook. No. We are here to kill. Wait for us.
I like. You came here to scare us with your dance.
No. When it comes to the cooking too, in fact, I'm sure people will start looking for the entrance because we are here to bomb the place with our food.
Blast the place.
You didn't come.
Security. Security, can you get these two? You are here to what? To blast and bomb.
Exactly. You're not here to
this
play. Kitchen
just turned into Russia and Ukraine. Can you just imagine? But we will pardon you for today.
Thank you very
now,
much.
Now, one heat in start here, the heat will blast you yourself. Anyone young for?
The school of choice.
Anyone young for?
The school of choice.
Then please go. It is going to be super interesting today. Lord Jesus, have mercy. I don't know. I know kitchens get hot up to 100 degrees. Probably we are going to do 1,200 degrees today. And how I wish the saucepans themselves would be able to speak to tell us who is abusing them and which cooks are loving them. But unfortunately, saucepans cannot talk. But the judges will talk. Ladies and gentlemen, our judges for today, Lucky Lawson, Chef Ned, and of course, I'll tell you that one when we come back.